Alright, so here's what's going on. This is going to be the end of the Corvair, I believe. This is the panel that was in there, like that. As you can see, I got all the holes in it. So I cut them off to see what this looked like underneath. There was a hole over in here. But I got that pretty well patched. I got to finish it. Then I'll spray it down. Rust, get rid of some rust. And just wait on the new panel. Alright, we got the new panel in. I'll give you a peek at what we got. She's a damn sight bigger than what we need. But, put that in there. Here, bring that back to there. Yeah, a lot bigger than what we need, but we'll get it. So, we'll be cutting this apart. I'm going to have to do a little work on it. It's not curved quite as much as I'd like, but we'll fix that. This here doesn't match up like I'd like, but they never do. Alright, as you can see, we got it all cut out now. So, this piece was in here. I knew I had a hole right here, so I cut it out. And what do we get? In behind it, this piece was in there. And what do we got? More holes. Like I always say, cut one piece out, whatever's behind it is going to be rotted too. So I made this piece, and I made this piece. It goes like that. Like that there. Rather than try to make a 90, actually it's a 120, and then try to shape it into, make it into fit. I cut it in two pieces, welded up along here, as you can see. MIG welded that together, using old 3.0. Put that in there like that. Now I'll weld that all in. Then we can start on the outer panel, which we have. Alright, I got it all marked out over there now. Rough part. Well, we got to see how we got to go any further. We don't know yet. I'm hoping we don't. But I got a little hole right here. We'll see what happens when I weld. Alright, we got filler piece in here. Under piece. Sub panel, whatever you want to call it. Now we gotta bring this line up a little higher. We might have to go a little more yet. But I haven't cut the other panels, so we're good there. Alright, we're going to get back to sanding and cleaning this up, and I'll bring you back when it's done. Alright, we got it all trimmed out here, cleaned up. Patches all put in here. Now I got this cut. Let's see if I can get it to work. This is just a rough cut. Got a lot more to do. See how it fits. Yeah. A little bit there. It's fitting pretty good. Trip to the hospital. I already ordered a new one.
When Jenny gets back, we'll go for gas and
Yeah, got a little trimming to do here. Got to shrink it a little bit.
Which I know it's close anyway. Yeah.
These here are the jaws. And you can see the gap in between. You step on this pedal down here.
This thing here is kind of spotty.
That brings them together. That's what shrinks your metal. They're serrated. Now these are here. See now, these jaws don't have any separation in them. These are stretching jaws. They open up instead of closing. Alright, I'll get you back up on your perch. See if I can get some work done here.
You see the screws right there?
Yeah. What does it do? Is it just a...
You put staples in it so you can hold the front of the headliner. Front of the headliner puts tiny little staples in it.
So you're going to put staples right in there?
Yeah, it grabs the staples. It's attached to it.
Oh, okay.
And see how it's kind of got a rounded edge and a flat edge?
Yeah.
Just barely? Yeah, put the rounded edge out.
Round edge out, okay.
Yeah, so that, because the headliner...
So we're ready to put this bad boy in. Alright, we're going to go for broke here. This being the last panel. After that, the Corvair should be done. Give you a little update. This is taking about an hour to get done. So we're letting it cool good in between. It's a little warm in here, so I won't do anything there. I'm going to do up in here, down in here, finish the bottom. Let it cool. I've been blowing air on it so we don't get any weird warpage. We're going to get some. You're not going to avoid it all. The idea is to get as little as possible. Alright, there's 2.5 hours of welding. I got 2 little spots to do, and I'll be done with this one. Except for grinding it down and cleaning up the welds. So that'll take me probably until 1 o'clock. Then I only got a few minor little spots I gotta fix. A couple little dabs of weld here and there. This car is done. Put a fork in it. Alright. We'll catch you later.